Next one.
नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप और कैसा चल रहा है आपका क्वारंटीन और लॉकडाउन? Well, we've been doing a lot of projects during the lockdown, and we thought that this will be a good time to give you a update on what is happening with all of our lockdown projects. So here's the first update. The first update is on the head project. First of all, please accept my heartfelt thanks for being such wonderful participants to the head project, for giving it so much love, and for really practicing all of the fundamentals of the home exercise and diet project in your daily lives. Over 6,500 participants filled the form to tell us where their health parameters were before the start of the project. And in just about 7 days, we have received a whole lot of replies to, a whole lot of you have also filled up your review of the head project, and we will be publishing those results soon. But I'm very, very happy to share that just from the early trends, almost 50% of you have lost inches from your waist. Yay! That is wonderful. In just like a week of following these things, so many of you have gotten inches of your waist. That's wonderful to know. We had also told you that for all of you who are participating, if you send us how you plan to eat through the day, we will help you review it. We have received more than 500 meal plans from you for review, and you will hear from us hopefully by the end of this week. We will send you our review, tell you what needs to stay and what needs to change. Now, don't send me any more meal plans starting today, all right? We are a small team and we are committed at least first to completing these 500 that we have received. So that's what we are going to be working on. Moving on to the second project. The second project was assistance for fitness professionals. Assistance for fitness professional means that we put out a form saying, how can we help you at this point, while there is in this whole COVID scenario, in the whole lockdown scenario, if you have gone through losses in your profession, can we help you out? Over 1,100 of you filled up forms, and almost 55% had seen their income crash to zero during the lockdown. So I think starting March, April, May has been quite a bad time for the profession of fitness. In fact, even Gold's Gym LA filed for bankruptcy. I'm sure you're all aware of that. That's like a legacy of sorts for fitness professionals. That's where Arnold Schwarzenegger would work out, and they have filed for bankruptcy. So we thought, can we reach out to you at this point of time? So we had asked whether you need financial assistance or whether you need ideation assistance. More than 70% of you have asked for ideas, but a whole lot of you also wanted some financial assistance to get through this period. What we are going to do is we have shortlisted over 100 people to whom we will provide financial assistance of 10,000 rupees each as a one-time financial assistance to help you get through this time. And for all those of you who wanted more ideas, and for all those of you who also said, all right, one-time financial assistance, but also help us with ideas, what I'm doing is starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. from my Facebook and from my Instagram, I'm going to be doing a series of workshops which will help you in the profession of fitness. This is free and for everyone, and anyone can join in. So tomorrow at 9 a.m. we're doing a workshop on widening your scope. How do you widen the scope for your practice? All right, and on 13th May at 9 a.m. I'll be talking about the actual consultation or training process. Is there something that you can do to become a better version of yourself? And lastly, on 14th May at 9 a.m., I'm going to be talking about marketing ideas. What are some of the ways in which you can actually put your work out there so that people know that you are ready, to take on classes and they can actually engage with you. Because also a whole huge number of you, I think almost 70% of you said that I could get online, but I haven't yet. So I hope that the workshop series helps you, and I'm also open to all of you who don't even belong to the profession of fitness to come in, tune in and listen to what I have to share. So that's the update from me. Stay well, stay fit, stay happy. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Bye bye.